I have two stepsons that live with me. They are from Jamaica. They've been living with me from 2021. We filed their immigration papers. They did their medical. They did everything that they were supposed to get done.
Right.
In March of this year, they got an interview, and we went to the interview. One of my sons was having some medical issues. We took him to the hospital. They couldn't tell us exactly what was going on, but we had gotten the interview to go, so we didn't want to
Sure.
miss the interview because we had missed one before, so we didn't want to miss the second one. When we got there, unfortunately, he started acting out real bad.
Who
So
was acting out real bad? Your son?
yeah, we found out over the spring break that he was having some suicidal thoughts and talking a lot of crazy things.
So he just went crazy at the interview?
Yes,
Like, what do you mean acting out? Like, tell me what happened. What did he say? What did he do?
he was talking bizarre things. When they got in front of the immigration officer, he was telling the immigration officer, "Oh, you are nothing to me. I'm gonna murder you."
Oh
And
my God.
after that, we had to check him into a facility. So now he's on some medication and he's totally different from how he was acting before. But we didn't know exactly what was going on before we took him.
Right.
So now they told Dad if they need anything from him, they're going to send a letter in case they need anything. We've been calling. They're telling us the case is still pending. We've been looking online. It's still saying.
When did this happen?
This happened in March of this year.
Was the I-130 approved?
Yes.
Okay. And the I-130 was approved before he turned 21?
Yes. They're 16.
They're 16 now. The other son get through, and nobody got through?
Nobody got through.
All right. All right. It sounds like to me, immigration's, they're going to hold on to this case for a long time. An immigration officer gets threatened that somebody goes in for a green card interview, says, "I'm going to murder you," even if he's 15, 16 years old. They're not going to be too happy to start granting green cards. So my guess is there could be some denial on moral grounds, or just to punish this child. Immigration just won't ever make a decision for years and years and years. Never, ever do it. So my advice would be, you're going to need a lawyer at this point. You waiting for immigration to make a decision is probably not in your child's best interest at this point, because things look like it's going downhill.
Yeah.
What I would do if I were your lawyer is I would get the records to see what notes the immigration officer put in the file, if they would give it to us. We can get the file within 2 or 3 months and see that. And then perhaps follow up with immigration for a decision that there's now a lawyer involved. And perhaps if they hold on to the case for too long, threaten a mandamus, because, they may deny it and we'll have to refile again with explanations. We don't know. The only way they can deny it is bad moral character, and somebody coming in and threatening an immigration officer that they're going to kill him could be bad moral character. But, again, on the same token, he is a minor. So he is now being medicated. So, there's obviously explanations that can be shared with immigration. Okay. But I think you need a good lawyer at this point.
Okay.
All right. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second.